Hi everyone, Desktop Peek is a feature offered by Windows by which a user can temporarily view the desktop without having to minimize any open windows. While Desktop Peek for Windows 7 is enabled by default, in versions 8 and 10, it is disabled by default. On Windows 7, one can access Peek easily by hovering with the cursor over the right edge of the taskbar. The user can then see the icons on the desktop through his or her open browser windows, which you could say, go transparent. On moving the cursor away from that area of the taskbar, the desktop is not visible anymore. In this video, you will learn the steps to enable or disable Desktop Peek in Windows 10. Use these steps. First, open the settings and click the personalization. Next, click the taskbar, then flip the switch under Use Peek to preview the desktop. Once you complete it, there you'll find a small little sliver of an invisible button, and click it to minimize all your open windows at once.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications, so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.